new machine. Here we have two sensors here. This one and this one. This one is for detecting the products, and this one is for the film feeding. That means while products come, the film will be touched. If no products, the film will be kept still. No film will be cut. And then we come to the mold part. You see, we have the pre-sealing, two pre-sealing. And while your products changed, we just need to remove this one, replace this one, the outside, this cover we take out, and to change it longer or shorter. And this is our main mold pass. And this is we only need to change this part, this structure, as per the box dimension. It's very easy. Total will be 12. So we will have, if you change the size, we will have 12 extra one. And here we have rulers. You know, for different products lengths, you can adjust in here. Inside will be have a 0 one, and you can adjust in the mold wise. Here we call lengths as per the box size exactly. And then we only change this part. This part for the side folding. And here, this is the feeding. We are adjusting the feeding length here by adjusting this screw. Bigger, smaller, and also the table height by adjusting here these two sides. Loose the screws firstly and the lifting or make it lower. It's very easy. And we have rulers for guiding you. And here also you need to have the screws for change the film length. 是换哪两个? These two. And here for the side feeding, you only change this pass, and then the table height you are adjusting by these screws, higher or lower, as per the mold feeding.
这个平台。
To keep it parallel, and then this one.
这个面。
To make it in the same level. Now it's lower.
偏高了。
And then we lift
增高，等会再降低。
To make the products come from the mold and then to the side feeding smoothly. And this one is for the wires. And then we come to the film roll. It's with air. Tension. Adjusting slightly. So you see the whole machine, while you change for the different dimensions, you only need to change the screws and these parts. It's take out very easily, and also only this one. That's all.